What's good, everybody? It's OzyWorldWide, Mr. Too Trendy. You know, we're back with another reaction. Master's telling me, yo, the real goat is in town, you know? The Somali Lil Wayne. I was like, yo, what are you talking about? Man, how you not know about Sharma boy? I said, no freaking way. He got a new song? Say less. So, yo, we're gonna start looking at a reaction right now. And yo, fam, I'm gonna be real with you, wallah. If it's fire, it's fire. If it's not fire, then blood. Wallah, we're gonna listen to something else. So, yo, right now we're gonna play the video, and I'm gonna let you guys know what my thought is. Mogi, yeah. Oh yeah? Okay. From the beat, wallah. Tell her, wallah. Imagine if I'm America. Allah, looks like somewhere in there. The Kobe OGA jersey. Oh, my brother. Wallah, imagine the real recognize real, wallah. Wallahi. Alima, where you at? Okay, what's up? Wallahi, it's not bad, not bad. Hiya, here comes so. Hiya. Oh. I like how you switched up the style. Last time was like a drill song. This time it's like a different type of melodic flow. Hiya. Okay. Nah. Pull it back. What jersey is that? Is that hockey jersey? Hello, my team Sharma, let's go. My team Sharma, huh? Let's get it. Yeah, man, low. Get that shit out of here. Allah, big man. Allah. Maogi. Come on, bro. Wallah, it's hard. I like the visuals too, wallah. All that finish Hiya. Dante, hiya. Bars on bars, wallahi. That's why, hiya. That's why, Allah. Come on, blood. Nah, you gotta wave that Canadian flag, fam. No way. Hiya. My man break it to the mainstream, wallah. Huh? You never see a Somali artist break mainstream. This guy is way past that. Yeah, 21. How old is this man, yo? Is he actually 22? Oh wait, man's 22. Man, look, at least like 26 or some shit. My man look 26, alright? Yo, that's a tough song, fam. That's a tough song. I get that 9 out of 10, Roski. Way better than the America track. Way better than the other tracks, fam. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, Sharma boy put it on. You put it on, fam. For us, before, Somalis used to have a bad image. Like, yo, my nigga, pirates, freaking. You lot was freaking, you know. You lot was savages. But now it's like, nah, man. We freaking, we legendary. Yo. We superstars, actually. So, yo, wallahi, man. Big up freaking Sharma boy. Yo, big up freaking Baraikan. Wallahi, you lot's doing it big. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. That was a sick song. That was a top. I'm kind of turned right now. I'm not gonna lie, you know. But, bruv, if you want to watch more videos, subscribe right now. I subscribe, share. I will see you lot next week. Another reaction, another video, more challenges on the way. You done know. It's OzyWorldWide. Stay blessed and stay safe.